Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my greatest videos of GamingLanx. So Happy Malia asked how to change channel icon and name. So I made a video on how to. As you can see, this is my channel, 53 subscribers. So I went to home. Now press your channel. After pressing your icon, then press this settings icon, then you can see your name and description. So if you're checking a channel, make a description, or you just want a nickname, this is how to do it. So this is my description and name. You can't change the channel icon from here. You get to go back to home, press your icon and press manage your Google account, and it went to Google account, and press your icon there, your letter or icon, then change set profile picture, then choose a photo, any one of your photos in the gallery. So this is how to change your name, description and icon. Many of you know this already, but for beginners, some of your friends are not telling how to do this if you're asking for 100 times. So if you search on YouTube, you might have saw my video, or you just search for it, or just went on your random descriptions or whatever. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and peace.